Hey guys, so this episode features most expensive Russian and Soviet coins sold in February at heritage auctions. Starting with 1994 Russian Federation 200 rubles, called Wildlife Sables, gold proof, grade as PR69, ultra cameo by NGC. It's non-circulating coin considered to be investment gold by European Union. Design was selected for awareness raising on protection of endangered animals. Made of 0.999 oz gold, weighs 31.3 grams, has diameter of 33 millimeters. Obverse features two-headed eagle in the center. The legends 200 rubles, year of impression and Russian bank. On the reverse, two sables sitting on bows in the background of ancient Russian tale. Legends in Cyrillic reads as "Protect our world." Sables look like this in real. This golden piece ended up selling for $3,000 on February 13th session of heritage auctions. Moving along to 1991 USSR golden Bolshoi Ballet 100 rubles, grade that means stays 67 by NGC, also considered investment gold by European Union. One of the last coins issued before collapse of Soviet Union. Made of 0.585 oz gold. Weight is 26.5 grams, diameter 35 millimeters. Overside features Russia's famous landmark, Bolshoi Theater. Legends around Bolshoi Theater in Cyrillic, letter in USSR in large, face value below the device. On the reverse, unnamed female ballet dancer, and lettering reading as Russian ballet. This coin also went under hammer for little more than $3,000 on February 13, 2022. Next comes another Russian coin, with design made for awareness raising on wildlife and habitat protection. 1996 golden proof Amur Tiger 200 rubles, grade as PR69 ultra cameo by NGC, made of 0.999 oz gold, weighs 31.3 grams, has diameter of 33 millimeters. Non-circulating coin from commemorative series titled Protect Our World. On the verse, coat of arms of Russian Federation, two-headed eagles, 200 rubles, and year of minting above, and the Bank of Russia below the head. Small letters below indicate the metal sign, the fineness of gold, the mint trademark, and the fine metal content. On the reverse, we see an endangered animal, Amur tiger, amid fragments of plants, an inscription along the rim, "Protect our world." Here is real footage of Amur tiger. So this coin ended up selling for $3,720 on February 13, 2022 at heritage auctions. And the last one, the most expensive lot of the same session, 50 rubles gold proof featuring Field Marshal Suvorov, minted in year 2000, designated a grade of 69 ultra cameo by NGC, made of 0.900 oz gold. Weight is 8.75 grams, diameter 22.6 millimeters. Commemorative issue from the series of outstanding Russian military commanders. Again, two-headed eagle on a verse, face value in full on the top, Bank of Russia, and year of minting below. Small lettering to the left indicate metal sign and the ally standard. To the right, fine metal content and minting trademark. Reverse exhibits half-length portrait of Suvorov, dressed in ceremonial uniform, lower cannons. At the top, the inscription along the rim, Generalissimo Suvorov, and the dates on the ribbon, 1730-1800. This gem was sold for $5,520 on February 13, 2022 at heritage auctions.